the car and just throw it for rubbish. That's it. It's nothing else than killing the car. See that? There's oil coming from it. That's Corsa 1.2D, and you know, I wasn't ready to film it. There's plenty of videos there. Number 28 for the filter, you just unscrew that one. Number 20, 20, 20, 20, sorry, 32, and you just unscrew it. That's the filter. It's screwed on the bottom, so you unscrew the filter as well, and that's it. On the bottom, it's T40 for the oil prop, and altogether that's it. You're releasing the filter and releasing from the bottom all the oil coming out, and you just put in the new oil and blah blah blah. The reason to film that, it's that, guys. You can't imagine how difficult it's to push through that. It's filled with rubbish, and you know, the guy said to me, yeah, I changed the filters, I changed the oil, and that people never changed nothing. That oil filter hasn't been changed for probably like 20,000 miles. And I don't want to say that because last time when I said it for the previous car, a few guys said, you know, it's, in that case, it's rubbish. Well, it's not rubbish. I'll change it, and the engine running fine, 66,000 miles. Car is fine, but never leave your car like that. Never. That's like to kill your car. It's nothing else than killing the car. Okay guys, I removed the head. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, and I believe that's not the original gasket. Probably somebody already replaced that gasket. I'll have a look the serial number and that kind, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not the original one. Let me show you the engine bay. There is some rust here where the water should go, and place for the oil, it's really dirty. It's really dirty. So I'll clean that, and we'll try to clean it much as possible. I wasn't thinking to replace the chain, but you can see the condition. See that? So I need to replace the whole gasket on for the chain as well. And as soon as I'm changing that gasket, you know, it's much better to replace the chain. Yeah, that's all together. I'll order the stuff which I need. Obviously we'll need some more stuff for this bit, and after that we'll start assembling everything. Let me just show you everything going in order. That's the pump, and that's all the bolts which coming out. And something really important, that bit, there's a 6 bolts. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and 2 bolts inside those holes here. So if you can remove the whole head with that bit, but it's much more difficult. So you know, it's much better to remove it slightly on the side, and that's it. Okay guys, something really useful. When you're cleaning the block, when you're taking off all that rubbish, some of it going into the hole. So what you have to do is just put the bolt in, because see that there's oil coming from it, and was looking clean like that one. For example, that one, it's obviously it's full, but that one, it's full with oil and that kind of rubbish. So put the bolt in, take it out. Oh, you can use the old bolts for that. You have to use the old bolts because obviously the new one, you have to keep them clean and that kind. So see, there's still oil on it. Yeah, do that a few times and the hose will be clean. Otherwise, all that oil will go around the gasket and you can imagine what will happen. Once again, see what's going on. Hello guys, I wasn't ready to filming today. I was completely ready to scrap the car and just throw it for rubbish. That's it. I called the air patrol in the morning, and he plugged his fancy computer. And he wasn't able to communicate with the ECU. And what he said to me, when you have like flat battery or something, the ECU erasing all the information from all the information in the ECU just disappear, and you are not able to start the car. You commonly, like really common problem with that courses, flat battery, no crank, no start. He said to me, call someone or go straight to the dealer and they can reprogram the ECU for you. Will be around 400 or 500 pounds, something like that. And I say, yeah, the car going straight, like straight to the scrapyard. I thought, let me have a look. It's unusual because I was driving the car and after that happened. So I have a look few videos in online just to see how to check the condition of the starter motor. I have relay how is that called, relay checker or whatever. All the relays are completely fine, they're working fine. I check all the fuses in the whole car, everything is perfect. And what one of the YouTubers advised me, just to remove the starter relay, that's the one, and make a shortage between those two, the top one, which on the relay it's 30 and 87. I made that shortage, still nothing happened. And after that I go under the car, measure the positive and negative connection of on the positive and negative connection on the starter motor, and was completely fine, was 12.5 volts. I measure the connection, I mean the voltage between the negative and the switch wire. There's a single wire which obviously is powered from the computer through the fuse box, just like a safety feature. And I measure it, there wasn't nothing there, and I tried to move a bit the wire and the wire break. So I redone the wire, and let me show you. After I done redone the wire, just a simple wire which going to the starter motor, and the car starting like completely fine. Okay, now quick breakdown what we done, because I expect to do just a few things and there's a crazy amount. Let's start from outside first. That cover was missing. I bought one. On the back seat, that cover was missing. God know why. I don't know how somebody would put just that cover. I have no idea. I ordered a whole unit. I removed just the cover and plug it on. It's working completely fine now. So yeah. The boot wasn't working. I replaced all the wires there just because there was just cutouts, and yeah. So like I'm showing, but it's working. On the driver's seat, there was a missing piece, that one here, and yeah, I replaced that piece. Well, inside that cover was, the whole plastic bit on the top was missing. Everything was messed up, so we have it now. We have a new one. I believe there's nothing else from inside. Only the central console has been sprayed, just looking better like that. In the engine bay, what we done here, like a lot. So there's a new belt with pulley, new thermostats, new water pump, new head cover gasket, and completely flashing on the whole system. The antifreeze has been flashed quite a few times. New antifreeze tank, and I believe that's all. I replaced the filter, the air filter. The oil has been replaced, and that's all together. I need to replace the pollen filter inside after I clean it, of course, just because of all that COVID-19 stuff. And yeah, I'll clean the rest of the car, change the pollen filter, and I believe the car is ready to go.